Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a bright light racing across the horizon. Something new, something full of hope. Today, June 19th, 2025, that light is real. NASA has launched its brand new space shuttle. After years of private companies leading the way, NASA is back with its own uniquely designed spacecraft. This launch isn't just another trip, it's the start of a new era of discovery. Remember the Apollo missions and the Space Shuttle fleet? After Atlantis retired in 2011, it felt like the end of an era. But now the roar of NASA's engines at Kennedy Space Center signals a bold new chapter. People everywhere watched, capturing the moment as the powerful rocket pushed the new shuttle skyward. NASA is once again an inventor, builder, and pioneer. This new vehicle is designed for science, exploration, and answering the universe's biggest questions. Space exploration pushes the limits of what we know and do, and NASA's technology often leads to inventions we use every day. The new shuttle is a massive investment in science and engineering, inspiring students and creating jobs. It's a moment of pride for America and inspiration for the world. When we reach for the stars, we find the best in ourselves. NASA's comeback is a powerful reminder. Our journey among the stars is far from over. Meet the Odyssey, NASA's next-generation spaceplane. Unlike the old shuttles, Odyssey is a sleek, reusable vehicle designed for both science and exploration. It can carry up to 6 astronauts and serve as a flying laboratory for complex experiments. Its advanced robotic arm can deploy satellites, capture debris, and help build structures in orbit. Odyssey's safety features, powerful computers, and closed-loop life support make it ideal for long missions. Built for independence, it's ready to test the technologies needed for future voyages to the moon and beyond. How does Odyssey compare to SpaceX's Dragon? Think of Dragon as a fast, reliable taxi, and Odyssey as a versatile science lab. Dragon is a capsule, efficient, proven, and perfect for quick trips to the ISS. Odyssey is a spaceplane with wings, landing gently on a runway, making it ideal for delicate experiments and large cargo. Both are reusable, but Odyssey's airplane-like turnaround could mean faster, more frequent missions. Dragon specializes in crew transport. Odyssey is built for broader tasks, deploying satellites, repairing telescopes, and serving as a mini space station. Their different designs, capsule versus space plane, ocean splashdown versus runway landing, give NASA flexibility. Dragon is the ISS workhorse. Odyssey is the all-terrain science vehicle. Together, they cover every mission need in low Earth orbit. It's not a rivalry, it's a partnership for the future. Each ship brings unique strengths to the new era of space exploration. Building Odyssey was a massive engineering challenge. NASA needed a vehicle that was safe, affordable, and reusable. Engineers developed new heat shields, lightweight materials, and powerful engines that could withstand repeated flights. Odyssey's software is incredibly complex, controlling every aspect of flight with millions of lines of code. Programmers tested every scenario in advanced simulators to ensure safety. The life support system recycles air and water, and the cockpit was designed with astronaut input for comfort and efficiency. Every part was built for durability and quick turnaround. Years of innovation and teamwork made Odyssey's first flight possible. It's a triumph of American engineering and determination. SpaceX revolutionized space travel by making rockets reusable. Before SpaceX, rockets were single-use, making launches extremely expensive. Elon Musk's team proved the impossible, landing and reusing rockets, cutting costs, and opening space to more people and companies. This breakthrough created a new space economy, with universities and businesses launching their own satellites. SpaceX's Crew Dragon, developed with NASA, ended America's reliance on Russian rockets. Private companies became true partners in exploration, not just contractors. SpaceX set a new standard for innovation and affordability. Their success inspired NASA and others to push boundaries. The result? More access, more missions, and a new era of discovery. SpaceX changed the rules, and NASA is rising to the challenge. If Dragon is so good, why build Odyssey? Independence and redundancy. Having two different ships means America isn't grounded if one has a problem. Odyssey and Dragon use different designs, rockets, and systems, making access to space more secure. NASA's goals go beyond transport. It needs a science-focused vehicle for unique missions. Odyssey's cargo bay and robotic arm make it a flying laboratory, built for research and construction. Building Odyssey drives technology forward, benefiting industries from aviation to medicine. It inspires students and strengthens America's leadership in innovation. Two ships mean more flexibility, safety, and progress. It's an investment in the nation's future in space. June 19, 2025, Launch Day. The Odyssey stood ready at Kennedy Space Center, gleaming in the sun. Crowds gathered, eyes on the pad, as engineers ran through final checks. Inside, two veteran astronauts prepared for history. The countdown began. 10, 9, 8. Anticipation building with every second. Engines roared to life, smoke billowed, and the Odyssey lifted off, shaking the ground. For a moment, it seemed to hang in the air, then surged skyward, a pillar of fire. In mission control, relief and joy swept the team as the call came. Vehicle has cleared the tower. The shuttle climbed higher, a brilliant streak against the sky. Engineers monitored every system, every sensor, as Odyssey accelerated toward space. On the ground, cheers and tears, pure awe at human achievement. The Odyssey was on its way, carrying the hopes of a nation. This was more than a launch. It was a statement of ambition and unity. The journey had begun, and the world was watching. NASA's new era was officially underway. In orbit, Odyssey's real mission began. The astronauts tested every system, from navigation to life support, ensuring the shuttle performed flawlessly. The robotic arm was put through its paces, inspecting the shuttle and simulating satellite repairs. Student-designed experiments studied crystals and plant growth in microgravity. Odyssey proved it's a platform for science, education, and innovation. After days in space, the shuttle re-entered Earth's atmosphere, its new heat shield working perfectly. Odyssey glided to a smooth runway landing. Mission accomplished. The first flight was a perfect success, proving Odyssey is ready for the future. Odyssey's success marks a new chapter in space exploration. Soon, Odyssey and Dragon will work side by side. Dragon as the reliable taxi, Odyssey as the science and construction powerhouse. Odyssey will help build the Lunar Gateway, ferrying heavy components to orbit for the Artemis program. Its technology could lead to more space stations, satellite repairs, and even asteroid mining. NASA and private companies together are making space travel routine and innovative. Odyssey is the bridge to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This journey inspires curiosity, teamwork, and progress for all humanity. The friendly rivalry between NASA and SpaceX pushes everyone to be better. The next giant leap could be Mars, or the discovery of life elsewhere. With Odyssey leading the way, the adventure is just beginning.